but it seemed that God has a better plan for me. Then CET score changed my plan. I took admission in pharmacy. And in this 2 year of journey, I realized that my hard work didn't go to waste. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Arpita Bhandare and I am recently graduated B.Pharm. In this video, I am going to share my own story, my own experience at B.Pharm college. After finishing my 10th grade, everyone decides what path they want to take right and which field they want to enter. So I also decided that I have prepared for a NEET in 11th-12th and become a successful doctor. But unfortunately, I didn't make it. I scored 297 in NEET exam. Then CET exam result came out and my brother told me that I had scored 94 percentile in CET exam. I was just shocked. How was that even possible? I mean, I had just guessed on that paper. So yeah, that was me who scored 94 in CET exam. And my plan was कि एक साल नीट repeat कर लेते, but it seemed कि God has a better plan for me. Then CET score changed my plan. I took admission in pharmacy. And in this 2 year of journey, I realized that my hard work didn't go to waste. So I took admission in pharmacy. And here's the funny part came. The pharmacy college I ended up joining was the exact same area where I was prepared for a NEET. But faith has a strange way of working, doesn't it? I mean, मैंने अपनी स्कूलिंग भी उसी एरिया से कंप्लीट कर ली थी, अपनी 11th-12th भी उसी एरिया से मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया था और नाउ मैंने अपनी डिग्री भी उसी एरिया से कंप्लीट कर ली. So first year of B.Pharm just flew by and the second year was pretty much the same. Then I found out GPAT and APPER exam. If you qualify in them, you can pursue higher study, and which has opened a new perspective for me. From my 3rd year, I started self-studying for GPAT exam. Let me tell you guys, B.Pharm 3rd year is tough. It is a challenging phase with a many core subject. So यहाँ पे आता है मेरा सबसे low point. In my 3rd year, in 5th sem, I got etiquette in one subject, and that was who sat back at that time, and I was really disheartened. But my friend was incredibly supportive and pushing me through it. So thanks to their encouragement and my hard work, in my 6th sem, I cleared everything. So that experience taught me a lot about persistence. Then I came in 4th year, the B.Pharm final year. That was the end era. So which involved internship and project work and consolidating all your knowledge. So I completed my 4th year with really good marks. And the biggest highlight was that I also qualified for GPAT exam with 95 percentile. And this was a really big achievement for me. So this wasn't just about the score. It was all about to bring myself even when my initial plan was changed. This is all about my entire journey of B.Pharm. The journey of unexpected turn, overcoming challenge and finding success in a different path. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about pharma studies. Have a wonderful day.